Imagine our system of healthcare transformed into one that not only heals the sick, but also creates and promotes health in your family and in communities across the country. The evidence is in. About half of all American adults have one or more chronic health conditions. 1 in 4 has 2 or more. Heart disease and cancer account for a staggering 48% of all deaths. So let's not only change the conversation, let's change the state of our health now. Imagine the leadership that will take, the courage, the vision, the innovation, the capacity, and the purpose. Why is CHI the right leader to make this happen?
They have focused on services that individual communities need, and yet they have that clinical experience and the range of things that you may need in healthcare for healing. If you're a part of this program, this system, those services are available.
In 1995, a group of healthcare leaders envisioned a different kind of a ministry, one that would focus on creating healthier communities across the U.S. We are one of the largest health systems and one of the largest providers of rural healthcare. No other healthcare system compares in terms of size, diversity, and the ability to understand and act on the needs of communities, big and small.
It's important to us at CHI to make the experience that every person has when they come to us the same experience we'd want if that person was our mother, our father, our husband, our children. And that's so important because it takes time and energy and money to make sure that you're putting the right models in to make sure that we're doing that for the people that we serve.
We are leveraging the best minds in the country, world-class scientists at the forefront of medicine, to work with us in transforming care. Together, we're focused on the future through the CHI Institute for Research and Innovation, known as CIRI. CIRI will help us eliminate barriers to care, advance cures, and rapidly deliver new treatment protocols and medical devices to facilities across the country.
By definition, the best in cancer care is often delivered in the context of a clinical trial. We really need to be putting the majority of our patients on clinical trials, or at least offering them the opportunity to do so. In a very short period of time, we've actually gone from a very fragmented and siloed approach to research to a very coordinated, cohesive, and purposeful effort. And in so doing, we've come to recognize we are now one of the largest providers of cancer care research across the country.
Research has also helped us realize that the best cancer care is delivered in the context of clinical trials. Funding could help us bring clinical trials to people in rural and urban settings. Another research project looks at how we manage care.
One of the models that we're working on that we think is very innovative is something called the virtual care. In each medical surgical nursing unit, patients will be able to press a button and have the nurse pop up on a TV screen to have discussions with the patients, to do their education, to explain things that the patient may have heard from the physicians when the virtual nurse and physician made rounds together earlier that morning.
Change continues to happen. In rural North Dakota and Minnesota, mammograms are more accurate and convenient because of digital imaging equipment funded by the Helmsley Charitable Trust. In Kentucky, data is used to predict people at highest risk for recurring health problems. Alerts are sent to the New Health Connections team, who makes in-person visits to the elderly and underserved. A recent trial showed the team's work had dramatically lowered participants' rate of depression and improved their confidence in managing their health. Imagine how much more change could happen with the right support. We want to be there for those who need healing. We also want to be there for people who need us to help them be and stay healthy. By transforming healthcare, by seeing what could be and making it happen, we can all be a part of that, together.
Just imagine how much more effective this would be with the right support, the leadership, the philanthropic support, and the impact we can have on the quality of life as a result.
CHI is transforming healthcare. Join us. Catholic Health Initiatives. Imagine better health.